Welcome to the enchanting journey to Santa's secret village in Rovaniemi, where the magic of the holiday season comes alive. Nestled right on the Arctic Circle, this charming destination is not just Santa's hometown. It's a winter wonderland brimming with festive spirit and unforgettable experiences. Imagine stepping into a world where twinkling lights adorn every corner, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of gingerbread and pine. As you wander through the village, you'll encounter Santa's workshop, where the jolly old man himself is busy preparing for Christmas. Here, you can meet Santa, share your holiday wishes, and even snap a photo that will last a lifetime. But the magic doesn't stop there. Rovaniemi offers a plethora of unique cultural experiences, from traditional Finnish saunas to mesmerizing reindeer sleigh rides under the northern lights. The village is also home to local artisans showcasing their crafts, allowing you to take a piece of this enchanting place back with you. Whether you're sipping hot cocoa by a crackling fire or exploring the snowy landscapes, every moment spent in Santa's secret village is filled with joy and wonder. So, pack your bags and get ready to immerse yourself in the festive charm of Rovaniemi, where holiday dreams come true and the spirit of Christmas is felt in every heartbeat. The journey to Rovaniemi. Traveling to Rovaniemi, the official hometown of Santa Claus, is an adventure that begins long before you arrive in this winter wonderland. Whether you choose to fly into Rovaniemi airport or embark on a scenic road trip, the journey itself is filled with breathtaking views. If you opt for a flight, you'll be greeted by stunning landscapes as you descend into the Arctic region, where snow-capped trees and frozen lakes create a picturesque backdrop. For those who prefer a more immersive experience, driving through Finland's enchanting countryside is a fantastic option. The scenic routes are lined with charming villages and sparkling snow, making every mile a delight. As you travel during the holiday season, the excitement in the air is palpable. Festive decorations adorn towns along the way, and you might even catch glimpses of locals preparing for Christmas celebrations. Once you arrive in Rovaniemi, the local attractions enhance your journey to Santa's secret village.
Visit the Arcticum Museum to learn about the region's rich culture and history, or take a stroll through the beautifully illuminated streets of the city.
Don't miss the chance to experience a traditional Finnish sauna or enjoy a thrilling husky sled ride. Each stop along the way adds to the magic of your journey, making the trip to Rovaniemi not just a destination, but a memorable experience filled with holiday cheer and wonder. Exploring Santa's village. Step into the enchanting world of Santa's secret village, where magic and joy fill the air. One of the most cherished activities is, of course, meeting Santa Claus himself. As you enter his cozy workshop, the excitement builds, and you'll find yourself surrounded by the delightful sounds of laughter and holiday cheer. Here, you can share your Christmas wishes, take memorable photos, and feel the warmth of the festive spirit that envelops the village. The atmosphere in Santa's village is truly captivating, with twinkling lights and festive decorations adorning every corner. The sight of beautifully decorated trees, shimmering icicles, and charming holiday displays create a whimsical backdrop that feels straight out of a storybook.
As you stroll through the village, the air is filled with the sweet scent of cinnamon and pine, enhancing the magical experience.
In addition to meeting Santa, visitors can immerse themselves in unique cultural experiences that showcase local crafts and traditions. Explore artisan shops where skilled craftsmen create beautiful handmade ornaments, traditional Finnish textiles, and other unique souvenirs. Participate in workshops to learn about local customs, such as making gingerbread cookies or crafting festive decorations. Every moment spent in Santa's secret village is a celebration of the holiday spirit, offering a blend of joy, culture, and unforgettable memories. Whether you're young or young at heart, this magical destination promises an experience that will leave you enchanted long after the holiday season has passed. Winter Wonderland activities. Rovaniemi transforms into a breathtaking winter wonderland, offering a plethora of exciting activities that embrace the magic of the season. One of the most popular adventures is snowmobiling, where you can zip through the pristine, snow-covered landscapes, feeling the rush of cold air as you navigate through forests and across frozen lakes. The thrill of speeding through this winter paradise is an experience like no other. Another must-try activity is a reindeer ride, where you can glide through the serene, snowy terrain while being pulled by these majestic creatures. As you sit in a cozy sled, you'll be surrounded by the stunning beauty of the Arctic wilderness, with snow-laden trees and the soft crunch of snow beneath the hooves of the reindeer. This peaceful journey offers a unique glimpse into the traditional Sami culture and their deep connection with nature. For those seeking a bit more excitement, husky sledding is an unforgettable experience. As you race through the snow with a team of enthusiastic huskies, the joy and energy of these playful dogs will leave you smiling from ear to ear. The snowy landscape with its sparkling white blanket enhances every moment, making each activity feel like a scene from a holiday postcard. Embrace the winter spirit in Rovaniemi by diving into these fun activities. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, the enchanting winter experiences here will create lasting memories and fill your heart with joy. Cultural experiences in Rovaniemi. Rovaniemi is not just a winter wonderland. It's a vibrant hub of rich cultural heritage that comes alive, especially during the Christmas season. As the holiday approaches, the town embraces local traditions and customs that reflect the warmth and joy of the festivities. From Christmas markets filled with handmade crafts and delicious treats to enchanting concerts featuring traditional music, the spirit of the season is palpable throughout the community.
One of the most significant aspects of Rovaniemi's culture is the influence of the Sami people, the indigenous inhabitants of the region.
Their traditions, customs, and way of life are deeply woven into the fabric of Rovaniemi. During the holiday season, visitors can experience Sami culture through various activities, such as storytelling sessions, traditional dance performances, and even tasting authentic Sami cuisine. This unique cultural exchange allows you to appreciate the rich history and resilience of the Sami people, as well as their harmonious relationship with nature. As you explore Rovaniemi, take the time to immerse yourself in this unique blend of culture and holiday spirit. Whether it's participating in local festivities, learning about Sami traditions, or simply enjoying the festive atmosphere, you'll find that the cultural experiences in Rovaniemi add a special touch to your holiday adventure. Embrace the magic of the season while celebrating the diverse heritage that makes this Arctic town truly one of a kind. As we wrap up our enchanting journey through Santa's secret village, it's clear that Rovaniemi offers a magical experience like no other. From meeting Santa Claus and exploring his whimsical workshop to indulging in thrilling winter activities like snowmobiling and husky sledding, every moment spent in this Arctic wonderland is filled with joy and excitement. The festive spirit is palpable, enhanced by the twinkling lights and the warmth of local traditions that make this destination truly special. We've also delved into the rich cultural heritage of Rovaniemi, highlighting the significance of Sami customs and the unique blend of traditions that come alive during the holiday season. This cultural richness adds depth to your visit, allowing you to appreciate not just the beauty of the snowy landscapes, but also the stories and histories that shape this remarkable region. We hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own adventure to Rovaniemi and experience the magic for yourself. If you enjoyed this journey and want to see more travel adventures, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us bring you more captivating content from around the world. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to explore more incredible destinations with you in the future.